Still removing rust by sandblasting or acid pickling. Dust limits under OSHA tighten every year. Acid waste disposal costs keep climbing, and customers need an hour. The problem isn't recruiting, it's process knowledge sitting in one person's head. 3 pits of sheet metal bending. First, bending precision rides on operator feel. One quits or calls in sick, the line stops. Second, mixed model changeover runs 45 to 90 minutes. Dozens of SKUs, all of it downtime. Third, hands reaching into the press brake cause 0.3 to 0.8 accidents per 10,000 operator hours. This line uses a robot for press brake tending. Repeatability plus or minus 0.1 millimeter, bend angle tolerance plus or minus 0.5 degrees, 12 seconds per part, freezing the operator's feel into a program library. 3 cores. First, vision prepositioning compensates incoming blank variance. The robot scans each part, computes the offset, corrects part by part, no manual teaching. Second, force feedback die contact plus spring back compensation holds bend angle tolerance at plus or minus 0.5 degrees. Third, program library plus quick change tooling cuts mixed model changeover from 45 minutes to 5 to 10. Knowledge frozen, no longer hostage to one veteran. Watch the demo. The robot picks a sheet metal blank from the table, positions it by vision, feeds it into the press brake. Force feedback contact forms the bend, spring back compensation nails it in one stroke, and the finished part stacks neatly. No hand ever enters the die. A 12-second continuous cycle. By the numbers. Manual, repeatability plus or minus 0.3 millimeters, 30-second cycle, 45 to 90-minute changeover, 0.3 to 0.8 accidents per 10th including pickling plus acid waste. Laser cleaning, 5 to 10 square meters per hour, 0 consumables. One cell cuts 2 to 3 tons of chemical waste a year, and replacing both the sandblasting and chemical steps saves roughly 400 to 800,000 yuan per cell annually. This solution doesn't only clean refurbished construction machinery parts, heavy machinery maintenance, bridge steel anti-corrosion prep, and pre-coating surface prep all reuse the same cell. The robot plus laser plus parameter library combination turns surface prep from a consumable-dependent compliance liability into a zero-emission, traceable green process. The core of laser cleaning isn't how fast it cleans. It's whether it holds both substrate damage and minus 0.1 millimeter without zero dust. Your rust removal line. How many tons of waste and effluent does it process a year?